All right, gang, here we are. Now we're in chapter 19, and I don't spend a great deal of time talking about printers and customizing certain systems. Now, in this chapter, that's what we talk about: most popular types of printers and how to support them. Now, as you go through it, you'll learn about printer types and the features, how to install a local or a network printer, and how to share a printer so that others can use it on a network. You'll deal with how to manage printer features, add-on devices, shared printers, and print jobs. And then ultimately, you'll learn about maintaining and troubleshooting printers. Now, everything will get wrapped up. We'll have a little discussion about how to select the appropriate parts for a customized computer to satisfy the specifications given by your customer. Let's say somebody wants you to build them a custom gaming system. Well, that may happen from time to time, and those are very specific for whatever they're going to do with it. We've got some different types of printers that you'll see. It may be a laser printer. You may have an inkjet printer. Right. There are thermal printers. We don't see them as much anymore. And there are impact printers. The printer can be local or be connected on the network, and you would either access it from your local machine and have it directly connected to that local machine, or it could be connected to the network and you access it through a network connection. It could be wired or wireless. And we do have wireless printers that will connect to your Wi-Fi router, and you'll connect to it just like any other network printer. We've got some labs set up so you can go through and practice installing printers and getting the drivers set up. Keep in mind, much like any other device connected to your system, you have to make sure that we have the most current and up-to-date driver for that system. Right. If we're going to share a printer, make sure that we've secured it, and we don't want somebody that for whatever reason can get into our printer and just start printing malicious jobs just to use up our paper, ink, and whatever. Now we've got the ability to have virtual printing, and that's printing to a file instead of producing a hard copy at a printer. We call that virtual printing. Now there's types of files you can virtually print. It depends on the software that's installed on your system. Now you need to see your options for virtual printing. Go ahead, open the print menu on the dialog box for your application, and you'll have the different results for what you can do. Now it might be Microsoft XPS, a document writer, maybe OneNote. Well, it could be Snagit. I mean, we never know what it is that we're going to be able to print to. But for that, we've got different types of virtual printing. We don't actually create or generate a piece of paper. It's a document or a file that would later be used to print. Now, when it comes to printer maintenance, they do require regular cleaning and maintenance, just like any other computer device. Okay? Now, from there, we'll go ahead and head on to chapter 20. And keep on going. You're nearing the end of the course.